Strawberry layer cake is bursting with strawberry flavor. It has 3 layers of strawberry flavored cake coated in a buttercream made from fresh strawberry puree, and it has a gorgeous color. Combine 1 box of white cake mix, 1 3-ounce box of strawberry gelatin, 4 large eggs, a half cup granulated sugar, a half cup finely chopped strawberries, a half cup milk, a half cup vegetable oil, and 1/3 cup of all-purpose flour. Beat for 2 minutes and then transfer into 3 greased and floured cake pans. Bake at 350 for about 22 minutes. For the frosting, process 2 cups of finely chopped strawberries until smooth. Transfer to a small saucepan and simmer until reduced by half. Let cool. Beat 1½ cups of softened butter until smooth. Add a half a teaspoon of vanilla extract and the strawberry puree. Then beat in 6 cups of powdered sugar. Add just a little milk to thin it enough to spread. Stack the cake layers, adding frosting between the layers, and then cover the sides in frosting. I like to add a few whole strawberries on top for decoration. This strawberry cake makes a wonderful spring and summer dessert. I hope you enjoy.